Kind of a mess.
I know. So how much longer, Kellyanne?
We have, I would say, another 24 hours here. We are still in the thick of it in terms of the rainfall and the wind. It will not be as impactful tomorrow, but still, I expect we'll have some drizzle out there tomorrow at this time and some fog, creating these gray conditions as the impacts from this nor'easter continue to linger. Over the next 12 hours, the rain continues. It's going to be heavy in spots, as I'll show. Strong wind, especially at the coastline, as we are watching ahead toward our next high tide. That is our next threat, the potential for minor coastal flooding with our high tide right around 5 o'clock. We do see improvements after the storm moves out as we move toward next weekend, but right now we are still in the thick of it. We have this strong fetch off the water, and so wave heights are building as we are approaching our high tide in about 40 minutes. We're seeing wave heights with this buoy here just off of Boston approaching 15.5 feet. So definitely some signs of some minor inundation possible for some of our low-lying shore roadways as we approach high tide shortly. And a reason for that is, of course, our building wave heights as we feel this storm continue to influence our area. The wind off the water has been really relentless. We've been seeing some very strong wind gusts. We still are seeing wind gusts between 30 to about 45 miles per hour, but at times wind gusts peaking above 50 miles per hour on the Cape and Islands. And so certainly this is something we'll be watching for much of this evening. The strength of the wind really at its peak through about 8 o'clock tonight is where we do have this wind advisory in effect. It is going to expire thereafter as the wind will slowly die down overnight and as we head into tomorrow, but still a breezy outlook. Your 12-hour forecast showing the greatest impact from both rain and wind through about 8 o'clock this evening. Thereafter, I do expect we'll see some scattered showers that could be heavy at times, especially over southeastern Massachusetts, which is a spot that's already seen a significant amount of rain. We are looking at totals above an inch in and around Boston and stretching out toward Worcester. But look at this. As you move toward Plymouth County, spots throughout Plymouth County getting over 4 inches and another additional inch to come with what's expected tonight. And that's as we're starting to see signs of heavier rainfall moving in from the south. These showers have a history of producing some lightning with them. And so they are much heavier as they're now approaching Providence at the moment in 195. This will continue to shift through. So if you're south of Boston this evening, watch for that potential for scattered showers and thunderstorms that linger over southeastern Massachusetts through early tomorrow morning. This is paused at 6 a.m. At that point, the threat for thunder starts to dissipate, but we're still looking at persistent showers, especially in eastern Massachusetts. Eventually, the showers give way to drizzle and fog for tomorrow evening, but with that wind still off the water, it is still going to feel very cool and damp for your Tuesday evening. So getting through tonight, the rain continues, the wind continues, dropping down to about 50. Tomorrow, it is wet as you're heading back to work and school, but I do expect we'll see improvements as we move toward the evening. Perhaps a little bit of sun before sunset, but more in the way of sun expected for Wednesday as we start to dry things out. Cooling down for Thursday, Friday, and then your weekend actually looking okay, Ben and Erica, as we look ahead to the head of the Charles.